My goodness, guys, I have to share this with you real quick because it's so delicious. But I was cleaning out my freezer today and I had a lot of stuff in there that I needed to use up. And I found I had a tub full. I'll show you the size. This size here of peanut butter icing that I had made. And I did use the Teddy brand peanut butter at the time. And I did have I think I mixed it with some powdered sugar, just to add for sweetener. And so I wanted to use it up. So I took this whole tub, and then I added some ingredients, and I'll show you the recipe right here. So I had about a half a cup of pecan banana ice cream or nice cream that I made just out of bananas and pecans, and a little bit of almond milk. So I had about a half a cup of that. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I added a half a cup of applesauce unsweetened, 1 teaspoon of carob powder, 1 tablespoon of PB2, that's peanut butter powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, I forgot to add on here. I added 1 cup of brown rice flour and 1 cup of the white whole wheat flour. And I mixed it all up till I get like this batter. It formed a nice batter, and then you lay it out on a cookie sheet. You can go like 4 by 5, and then this is how they turned out. These are original. Oh, they're so good. They are so fluffy, like a cake almost. They are delicious. I mean, I don't know if you guys can try this, but hopefully you can. If you need any more instructions, I'm going to go ahead and leave the recipe. Well, actually, I'll put it up here again, and you guys can screenshot it if you want. Hold on, let me add the flours. Okay, so here's the flours. 1 cup of brown rice flour and 1 cup of white whole wheat flour. And then I also wanted to tell you that I don't use regular baking powder anymore. I use this brand here, Energy brand, because look here, there's no sodium in it. And see the ingredients down below? That's made out of calcium instead of sodium. So, but if you don't have that on hand, just use the regular baking powder to work. Okay, guys, I hope you'll try this recipe. It just happened to be a delight. So I'm going to call it Peanut Butter Pecan Delight. And that is an original recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And I wish you could have a piece. Here, take a bite. Yum!